Priyanka's team jumps the wall.
Good morning, Grandma.
Good morning, Meenu. You look very happy. Is there anything special in school today?
Grandma, you are so right. I have a reason to be extra happy today. Our teacher is taking our class to the town. We are going to meet a girls' hockey team there. They have just won a national level match.
A national level hockey match. That is very good. And that too, a girls' team from near our village. Meenu, you must go and talk to those girls. It is not easy to be a girl and participate in sports also.
But why, Grandma?
That is because, Buzz, in many families, they don't even allow girls to go and play games in the evening. But these girls have won a national level match. I really want to meet them and talk to them. That's why I am so happy. Grandma, I am getting late. Bye.
Bye, Meenu. When you come back, tell me all about it.
Okay, Grandma.
Meenu, come quickly. Let's get into the bus.
We have reached the place. This is the hockey ground where these girls practice. Come, let us go meet them. I can see their coach there. Good morning, sir. We have come from the next village to meet your team.
Good morning, madam. I am very happy to see you all. This is my excellent team of girls. This is Priyanka, the team captain. This is Reena, Salma, Rosie, Suryamani, Lakshmi, Tashi, Jimli and Zubeda. Some of them just went home.
Very happy to meet you, children. We are all very proud of you. These are some of my students. This is Meenu, Shama, Sheila, Mary, Sarah, Peter, Sahil and Chinu. They wanted to talk to you. They want to know how you have achieved so much.
Hello, Priyanka. We are all very proud of you and your team. You can play so well. But in our village, many families do not allow their daughters to even play in the evening for some time.
Hello, everyone. But Meenu, it is the same everywhere. Even in many of our villages, girls are not allowed to play.
But then, how did you become such a good hockey player, Priyanka?
That is thanks to our coach, sir. Coach, sir, was teaching hockey in this ground to some boys. My brother used to learn from him. Look, that is my house. I used to stand outside my house every day and watch them playing the game.
One day she came up to me. She asked me if she can also learn to play the game. I clearly remember that day. I told her that I can teach her to play hockey also. But she said that she wanted to play in a team also. She asked me if I can form a team. I told her that if she gets at least 5 more girls, I will form a team and coach everyone. Suddenly, after 3 days, there were 6 girls here with Priyanka. I was very surprised. I started coaching them and look at them today. They are champions.
Did all your families easily agree to let you join the team and play? Oh, no. I always wanted to play hockey. When Priyanka told me about the coach, I went and asked my mother if I could join the team. She clearly said no at first. She said that she has never heard of girls wanting to play hockey.
I was also with Zubeda. Her mother got angry with me also. Zubeda helps her mother every day in cleaning and washing. Her mother works in some houses nearby, and Zubeda helps her after she comes back from school.
That's right. My mother said that if I started playing hockey, then I will not be able to help her. She said playing is just not important. Then I had to beg her. I promised her that I will go to play only after I finish helping her.
That's right. Zubeda comes to school with us in the morning. After coming back from school, she goes to help her mother with her work. Then she comes to the ground to play.
After I finish playing, I go back home and do my homework and study. Oh Zubeda, you really work very hard. Priyanka, do you also study after you finish playing? Does your mother support you when you play hockey?
She supports me now, but not before. When I told her first that I wanted to play hockey, she looked at me funnily. She said sports are for boys and not meant for girls. My grandma also started laughing and asked me to behave like a girl.
Oh, that's not right. My grandma always supports girls. She says that there is nothing that a girl cannot do that a boy can do. There are many women doctors, lawyers, engineers, police, pilots, and other officers today. There are women defense officers, and women have even gone to space. There are many women sportspersons who are very famous, like P.T. Usha, Anju Bobby George, Karnam Malleshwari, and Sania Mirza. So, girls can achieve anything if they are also given an equal opportunity.
That is what exactly my father told my grandma. He said that I should learn to play hockey. He used to play hockey when he was young, and he was a very good player. He was even selected to play for his state team. But he did not have enough money to even buy shoes and a good hockey stick. He had to start working to take care of his 4 sisters and his parents, so he did not continue his game.
He must have been very happy when you wanted to play hockey. That is why he would have supported you to learn the game.
You are right, Meenu. He was very happy. He told my mother and my grandmother not to stop me from playing hockey. He said there is nothing like behaving like a girl. He wanted me to become a big and famous hockey player. He even teaches me and my teammates some tricks of the game. Today, he is very proud that we have won the championship game.
He must be very proud that you are the captain of the team also.
Yes, madam. But at the same time, he also teaches me that I should not be proud just because I am the captain. I should be very friendly and kind to my team.
Oh, we all like our captain very much. Priyanka is the best captain. She helps us a lot. She even came and spoke to my family. They were very upset with me when I jumped the wall and came to the ground.
You jumped the wall and came to the ground to play? But why did you do that?
I used to watch Priyanka and the other girls play hockey every day. I asked my parents also to let me play hockey. I really liked the game. But my parents did not allow me. My grandmother said that girls do not have strength and cannot play games. She said that I should feel happy that they permitted me to study and just be thankful for that.
But that's not right. Many families do not allow the girls to go to school and study. Even if they allow, they feel that the girls should be thankful for that. But why should we be thankful? It is our right to study just like the boys. It is the fundamental right of every child in our country to go to school and study. We don't have to be thankful that we are sent to school. Why should only boys study and we work at home?
That's right. That's why I felt very bad. So one day, without telling my parents, I jumped over the wall of my house. I came running to the playground. All the girls were playing. I asked the coach if I could also learn to play.
I told her that she can definitely play, but with the permission of her parents. She got worried. She said that her parents would never allow her. Then, I sent Priyanka and some of the girls from the team to Rosie's house to talk to her parents.
I was scared to go back to my house and meet my parents. But Priyanka, Salma, Suryamani and Zubeda came with me. Priyanka spoke nicely to my parents. She said that it is very important that parents give equal opportunity to their son and daughter. Then finally, my parents understood and they agreed. They allowed me to play hockey. I was very happy to join the team with their permission. Now, they are very proud of me.
Everyone is proud of you, Rosie. Do you all practice every day?
Yes, we practice every day. Coach sir is very strict with us. That is why we are champions today. He makes us exercise first for about 1 hour. He makes us do 10 rounds of the field and then lots of stretching and other exercises. After that, he teaches us the game. He teaches us how to pass, how to dodge, how to hit a goal, how to hit a penalty shootout, and other things.
Yes, Coach Sir is very strict with us. But he is very kind also. We have to do our rounds and exercises very seriously. Otherwise, he gets upset. It keeps us strong and fit. At the same time, he keeps talking to our parents very often. One day, he called all the parents and told them that we should be given enough milk.
Then immediately Salma's mother said that only boys need milk to keep them strong. Then Sir taught them how every child, be it a boy or a girl, requires milk for the bones to grow. He said, in fact, girls needed more milk to give enough calcium to their body. So, he is very kind to us.
I know. In many houses, parents give milk only to the boys. They don't give any milk to the girls. It is very wrong.
Now I also get lots of milk to drink. I am as strong as my brother. In fact, we bet his team.
Your team beat your brother's team in a game of hockey? How is that possible? Do you play with boys also? Yes, Coach Sir said that we should play with boys. He said that we should think that we are just players, not boys or girls.
Yes, I always try to tell them that. While playing a game, you have to think that you are a player. You should never think that you are a girl. You should play like a player, and even if you are slightly injured, if you can manage, you should continue with the game.
That's what we also try to do. If someone is injured, we keep shouting, "It's okay! Come on, you can do it!" Then that person feels better and feels encouraged.
You all must be playing well as a team. I know it requires a lot of cooperation among team members to play well as a team.
Yes, Meenu, you are right. Team game is very different from an individual game. In a team game, each member should feel part of the team. They should support and encourage each other. If they don't play as one team, they cannot win matches.
That is how the Agra team lost to us. They kept fighting and getting upset. Why? What happened?
Many things. When someone made a wrong pass or missed a strike, then the rest of the team would shout at her and blame her for the mistake. This way, the whole team got upset most of the times.
Don't you all get upset? Don't you get angry?
No, we don't get angry. Coach Sir has taught us to be patient.
In fact, when anyone makes a mistake, Priyanka immediately says, "It's okay, never mind, next time we will do better," and starts clapping her hand. Then all of us pat that player on the back and start encouraging her to do better. I think this is the best thing to do. Now at least the player will not be upset and will want to do better to prove herself.
Yes, Coach Sir taught this. He says that the interest of the team should always come first. No one should be selfish in the team. In fact, he took us to see the movie Chak De.
Even I have seen that movie. It is a very good movie. It teaches you how to play well as a team. Each member of any team would have some strengths. The team should know how best to use that strength.
Yes, at the same time, there could be some weaknesses also in the team. We should learn how best to cover it up and play. I have seen the movie 6 times. We all have learned so much from the movie. After seeing that movie, we play with more cooperation in our team.
We learned that from the movie Lagan also. I also like that movie. That movie also teaches you that if you work hard and play together as a team, you can beat anyone in the world.
That's why we all work very hard. Just like the boy in Iqbal movie. Though he was deaf and dumb, he became a cricketer and got selected for the Indian team. That was purely because of his hard work.
We also want to become famous like the Indian cricket team. We will work harder now after our win. Now we know that if we work hard and play well as a team, we can beat anyone.
Yes, the win has given the team a lot of confidence. Now they believe that if they work hard, they can win against any mighty team. Now, their parents have also allowed them to travel.
Oh, couldn't you travel before?
No, Meenu. We had lots of problems before. We could not play well with our long skirts. We were tripping and falling all the time. So Coach Sir asked us to wear pants and come.
Oh my God! The whole village came to fight with me. They asked, how could I ask girls to wear pants? But how could they play the game with long skirts? It took me 2 hours to explain to them, and finally they agreed.
Then we also got lots of chances to go and play matches outside our village. Our parents wouldn't allow us to travel. We were missing great opportunities. Then one day, Coach Sir spoke to all the parents and finally they agreed to small trips.
I know. I don't know why this happens with girls all the time. If boys do anything, no one objects. but girls cannot do anything.
Oh, yes, madam. Even now, as soon as we finish playing, I have to run back home. Otherwise, my mother will get angry. But my brother keeps chatting and comes back home late. My mother doesn't say anything. He doesn't like me playing hockey also. He keeps complaining. I was very happy when we bet his team.
Priyanka is right. We were all very happy when we bet the boys' team. But at home, still my mother does not give me an equal opportunity. If my brother does any work at home, my mother will start getting angry with me. She says, why should he do the work when he has sisters? She says, it is the duty of the girls to do work at home and they have no choice.
But I don't think so. I think even girls have a choice. You all have done well and proved that. There is so much unity among all of you that I am sure you will win all the matches that you play.
Meenu, we work very hard. Coach sir has taught us to respect each other. We feel no difference between any of us. We belong to different communities, castes, and some of us are rich and some are poor. But we play together as a team. We win matches because we are united all the time. We want to play well and make our village and country proud.
Yes, Priyanka, we are all very proud of you and your team. You have proved that we can win if we stay united. Even our country can achieve lots if everyone stays united. You are right, Meenu. No one should fight about religion or caste. See, because of us, all our families are friends. The whole village is united because of us. What can we achieve by fighting? See, by staying united, we are able to achieve so much. You are right, Subeda. We will also go back and start to learn hockey. We will take guidance from you and try to form a team.
You should, Meenu. You all look like intelligent girls to me. I will also come twice a week to coach you.
Thank you, sir. That is very kind of you.
Priyanka, it is not only Rosie who jumped the wall to learn hockey and join the team. You and your whole team have jumped the wall to learn hockey and win the championship.
But how, madam?
Meenu, they have all jumped the wall of gender bias. They have jumped the gender wall created by their families and society. They are our leading light.
Meenu, I will also help you form your team. We will all play together.
Thank you, Chinu. Friends, do you play games? Do you think girls are given equal opportunities like boys? If your family does not give equal opportunities to the girls, then you should patiently explain to them that it is not right. Girls also have a right to equal opportunity just like boys.
Friends, Will you give a one-word answer for the following? You can also write it in your notebook. The first Indian woman president, Mrs. Pratibha Patil. The first Indian woman Prime Minister, Mrs. Indira Gandhi. The first Indian woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. The first Indian woman IPS officer, Dr. Kiran Bedi. The first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest, Bachendri Pal. Will you help Parrot match the following? P.T. Usha, Athletics, Karna Maleshwari, Weightlifting, Sania Mirza, Tennis, Anju Bobby George, Long jump, Saina Nehwal, Badminton, P.T. Usha, Athletics, Karna Maleshwari, Weightlifting, Sania Mirza, Tennis, Anju Bobby George, Long jump, Saina Nehwal, Badminton. Let's help Bert to fill in the blanks. Our country can achieve anything if we stay. United. Our country can achieve anything if we stay united. In a team game, the interest of the team should always come first. In a team game, the interest of the team should always come first. Team members should encourage and each other. Support team members should encourage and support each other. Every child requires for the bones to grow well. Milk. Every child requires milk for the bones to grow well. Every day makes a player strong and fit. Exercising every day makes a player strong and fit. It is very important for parents to give opportunity to their son and daughter. Equal. It is very important for parents to give equal opportunity to their son and daughter. It is the fundamental right of every child in our country to go to and study. School. It is the fundamental right of every child in our country to go to school and study. Will you help us to know whether the following sentences are true or false? Girls should not be allowed to go out and play games. False. In many homes, girls are not allowed to go out and play. True. There are many women who have achieved great things in our country today. True. Cooperation among team members is very important to play any team game well. True. We cannot achieve anything if we are united. False. Friends, I have some questions for you. Will you please write them one by one in your notebook? Then you can think about your answers and discuss them with others in your class and your teacher also. Let's start now. Do you play any games with your friends near your school or your house? What games do you play? Do you like team games or individual games? When you play a team game, do you play for the team or for yourself? Do you think girls are allowed to play just like boys? If not, what do you think the reason is? Do you think girls should be given equal opportunity and allowed to play all games? Do girls and boys play different types of games? If yes, why is it so according to you? Do you think it is right to stop girls from going to school or playing or doing some other work of their choice? Many girls are not allowed to participate in sports, dance, etc. Do you think it is right? How would you feel if such a thing happened to boys?